Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, and I'm just getting back home. I just brought Jody and Jada to the start of the parade route. Yeah, Jada is in Namtuk, and Jody is marching nearby to take care of her baby girl. It's gonna be an amazing day for them, but it's gonna be an amazing day for me because this is where I'm gonna be. Let's go. So, family, I'm sitting by my back door, and this is where I enter my garden. And I want to share with you all what I picked up on my way home from dropping Jody off. Jody and Jada, I dropped them off. So I stopped at this store, and yesterday I went to Rosie. All right, this is where I'm at. We're at Rosie's, y'all. We're at Rosie's. So let's go see what they got in here. Yeah. So this is some of the plants and what the cold weather have done to a lot of them. But I saw this plant. It's called a chocolate vine. It's a flower. I've never seen that one before. She's pretty. But I'm gonna pass. Here's another one back here. And avocados. They have a lychee, which I don't want a lychee. Who is this? It's a Logan. Oh, sorry. It's a Logan. So allspice. So that is. And this is a star apple. That is $69. And no, thank you. Who is this? Oh, a candlestick tree. And a Barbados, and she is half dead. I'm already sure I would be able to get some kind of discount, but I don't want her. So this is usually where I get my Creole tomato seeds from. Here, this is some parsley, some cucumbers. You get a good bit in these little bags. Cantaloupes. Yeah. Crucial squash, yellow streak neck. Yeah. Jody. Let me get that. He rung it up? 2847. There's Crucial? Is that Crucial on there? Crucial squash?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the one. Wait a minute. Now, Rosie's, I picked up some onion sets, just one bag. And I picked up seed potatoes. So these are the red seed potatoes I bought from Rosie's. And these are white seed potatoes. I'm more than sure. Let's see, can I get in there so y'all can see what's in the bag, baby? What's in the bag? So here is my white seed potatoes. Also, from Rosie's, I picked up 2 packs of seeds, of course. I picked up some sweet basil and a pepper, sweet pepper, California Wonder Pepper. So I got that one. And this morning I stopped at Double M and I picked up some botanical interest seeds. And of course, this is one of my favorite kales, and that is the Dazzling Blues. I love this. They have a bitterness to them that I do love, y'all. I do love it. But anyway, it's the the dazzling blue. You're gonna drop that. I picked up some contenders, bush beans. These are bush beans. I picked up another pack of the white acorn mashed potato squash. Now, I sent maybe about 3 or 4 packs of these out to my members that asked for them, and I'm excited to share this with them. This is the white acorn mashed potato squash by Botanical Interest. Yeah, I can't wait to taste that one. And of course, I pick up some King Richard leeks. I wanted some leeks. And there you go. That's my little... Now, also when I was at Rosie, just an awesome man. I do love him. He gave me a couple of plants. So I have them in quarantine. Yes, I do. And he gave me some pepper plants and tomato plants. And I'm gonna share those with y'all, but they're in another part of the garden, so we don't get there. But anyway, I am excited to get started with my day out here. So I'm going to be cleaning, and this bed, I've been cleaning it, so there's parts of it I'm gonna just sculpt it out to where I want it to be and what I want it to look like, right? I'm gonna put tomatoes, peppers, also carrots, leeks, and red onions in this bed. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna show you. All right, let's go. So I am cleaning this container right here. This is one of my Vigo containers, and I'm going to drop these seeds in there. Hope you can see them. You can see they're germinated here. There's some here. So this is the climbing strawberries. Look at there, y'all. Y'all see it? These are the climbing strawberry seeds that I dropped, I don't know, about a week ago or so. But anyway, I'm going to put them in this container here. But yeah, y'all see, they have germinated. So I put some perlite in here and some peat moss, and we're going to drop them. All right, family. So I am dropping onions. These are the red onions just around this part of this bed. So let me share with you what this bed will eventually be. I am adding many vegetables to this 8x4 bed. These are some plants. So I had them quarantined for a while, and there they are. He gave me some peppers and tomatoes, and I'm gonna grow them. I took them out of the soil that they were in and cleaned them off really well, even though the gardener there, she uses 511. That's her fertilizer, and I think that's really cool. But anyway, I wanted to drop these onions in this bed. So I have onions here. I'm gonna drop some leeks in this bed. Over here, all the way against the wall, right there, all the way across is carrots. So carrots is gonna be framing this whole bed. There will be carrots all over the frame of this bed. And then the next layer will be the onions, right? And then on this side, I will have leeks. And of course, we have peppers and tomatoes. So this bed is gonna be full of many different varieties of vegetables. That's just to let you know that so many of these vegetables can grow together, and you don't have to put everything separate just as long as everything have space so they can grow. They need space so they can grow. Well, this is an 8x4. It is really big and I'm gonna pack her. Now this collard, I'm gonna take it out, but I had been eating on it, so. But I'm gonna harvest the rest of her leaves and I'm gonna take her up, right? But I'm gonna get these onions in here, and then I'm gonna drop some carrots. Of course, I'm gonna frame this bed with carrots and leeks, right? I'm gonna share my leeks. I think I'm gonna drop them in the middle of the bed, right? Yeah, we're gonna drop them in the middle. All right. Yeah. So I got this tomato plant so deep. I dug the hole so deep. Yeah, it went all the way down. But she's in there really, really good. Yeah, the deeper you plant your tomatoes, the more roots you get, right? Roots will be coming up along the stems, all above the stems, right? Plant her deep, baby. Get her deep in there. And I don't want them, up on each other. No, not at all. So this is basil. Now I made little trenches right here. I'm gonna drop basil all around these tomatoes. Yeah. All right, let's drop these seeds. Right. So I dropped my basils, and another thing I want to go and get. I need some flowers in here, so I think Mike, the chaotic gardener, thank you, nephew. He sent me some marigolds, and I'm gonna drop some marigolds in here. Just maybe 1 or 2 plants at each end of this bed, right? Okay, let me water it, and then I need to take a break. I need to eat something. All right, y'all. Hey now. All right, guys. So we are gonna get some rain, but from what I understood, we was gonna get rain overnight tonight, but it is getting cloudy out here. But I'm going to drop these potatoes. It's windy, it's getting very windy, so I'm going to water this really well. I think I'm gonna try to do a good 50 count or 5 minutes or so of watering, just to get all of this water to the bottom. I want it all in there, baby. I hope you all been having a great day today. I've got a lot done, but I'm gonna go and eat some lunch. I have some smothered potatoes with shrimp and sausage in it, and I'm eating it with rice, and I have some toast. That's what I'm having. Yeah, that's what we eat here for lunch. Everybody going to Namtuk Parade, and I am home alone. But that's all good. I love it. I love it. I hope they have big fun. Big fun. Because let me tell y'all something. The parades in Namtuk and Second Line, especially on Super Sundays, y'all, they don't owe me a thing. They don't owe me nothing, baby. Well, this is the end of the day. I've had a wonderful time out here in my garden. I'm not totally finished with this bed, but the majority of bed 1 is done. So my next bed will be the bed for all of my trellis vegetables like cucumbers and squash. Yeah, we're going to get into that bed next. I want to thank you all for hanging out with me today. I'm going to chill out now. All right, family. Later, y'all.